where are you going?
I'm going to Dholu Chacha who stays over there to buy some wheat.
Why are you going to Dholu Ram Chacha? Go to Golu Ram Chacha.
Why? What happened?
I've heard Dholu Ram Chacha cheats while measuring.
Meaning?
Means he gives a little less. There is a problem in his weighing machine. Do you know that?
Oh no. I have been buying materials from Dholu Chacha since so many years. I don't think he can ever do that. I have faith on him.
Okay, if you believe him, then go. Why do I care?
Okay then, see you.
Bye-bye.
There was a Lambu. There was a Tingu. Lambu is smart. Tingu is strong. Bolaram Chacha. Bolaram Chacha. Please give me 2 kg wheat. How much, my son? 2 kgs. All right. Just wait a minute. It looks a little less in weight. No, my son. You always come to my shop. You know very well that Dholu's work is never wrong. Oh my God. Yes, Chacha. I have full trust in you, which is why I come over here only. Oh, it's good I found Tingu in the way only. I have bought some wheat, but I forgot to get it crushed in the flour mill. Hey Tingu, I got some wheat yesterday, but I forgot to get it crushed in the flour mill. So, I forgot, which is why I will go right now.
Oh, wait. Let me help you with it. Okay?
Here you are.
How light it is. I can hold it in one finger.
A weight of 2 kgs, you can hold in one finger?
By the way, I can hold 10 kg in one finger. But as far as I know, let me tell you this. That this is not anywhere near 2 kgs. This is definitely less.
Oh, come on. Whatever. Yesterday I got it weighed in front of my own eyes.
Okay, so you don't believe me then? Let's do one thing then. Let's go to a flour mill and get it weighed. What do you think?
Oh yes, sure. There is a flour mill right ahead.
Hey uncle, can you grind our wheat please? How much is it?
2 kgs.
Don't do it directly. Measure it first, okay? Okay, fine. Hey brother, it is just 1.5 kg.
What? Meaning it's less by half a kg?
See? I told you, no? There is something fishy going on. I already knew this.
Chacha, he just says Chacha. He's making a fool out of me.
Come, let's go right now and ask him.
No, it may be that this all happened because there was some mistake.
You have a lot of trust in Dholu Ram, uncle.
I have been going to him since so many years. I'm sure there must be some mistake.
Okay, fine. No problem. Do whatever you want to do.
Chacha, please give 1 kg cereal.
Here you are, my son. 1 kg cereal.
It's 1 kg, right?
Yes, of course, my son. It is 1 kg, all right.
No. You know what happened? Last time, perhaps, it was just half a kg less. That's why I was asking.
Maybe there was some kind of a mistake. After all, humans only err and make mistakes.
Oh yes, Chacha. There's no problem at all. Okay, I'll make a move now.
Lambu, just be careful. Hope you don't get scammed again.
But even I have a doubt in my mind now.
Get it checked from some other place once.
I think I also feel the same thing. I should definitely go and get it checked from some other store.
Come, let's get it checked from Golu Ram Chacha in front.
Goluram Chacha, please get this weighed.
Yeah, why not? Wait a minute. Here, it is 750 grams.
Only 750 grams? This is gross injustice.
Now what would you say, Lambu? Who's at fault?
Yes, my dear. A straight loss of 250 grams. This is really unjust.
Come, let's go and talk to him.
No, Tingu, you cannot always win by your strength. Sometimes you even have to use your brains. If we go now, then he will say that I have used half a kg at my home already. We have to catch him red-handed.
How is it possible?
Just come near me and listen to what I'm saying.
Wow, Lambu, you have got a brilliant idea.
After all, whose brother am I? Goluram Chacha, how are you?
All right, all is well. You tell
Oh,
me.
nothing. I just wanted to buy 2 kgs rice.
That's it, just that much. Okay, wait, I'll just give it to you. Here you are, 2 kgs rice.
Are you sure it is 2 kg?
Hey, Doluram Chacha will never lie to me.
Yes, that of course I know.
1 minute. Wait, Doluram Chacha. I have to do some work.
What happened, my dear? Tell me quickly. Lot of people are waiting.
What's happening? Why are so many people are waiting here?
Meaning?
What I mean to say is that I have a gift for you. Listen up, everybody. Just look. Look at Bholuram Chacha's weighing scale. Now I will put my 2 kgs rice on it. Now tell me, how much is it? 2 kgs, right?
Yes, my dear. It is 2 kgs, it's right. Just take it and go.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
This is called normal life. Now watch magical life.
Hey, Tingu, why don't you please get your weighing scale here?
Here is your weighing machine, uncle.
Now watch. Watch how these 2 kgs of rice straight away get a little less.
We are not here to watch your magic trick. Do it quick. We have to buy.
Oh yes, Lambu. What childishness is this? Come on, hurry up and go. Pick up your weighing scale. There's no need to show magic here. Go somewhere else and show it.
Wait, uncle. Don't be in such a hurry.
Look at this. Now I will measure the rice.
What childishness is this, Lambu? Just pick up your rice and your weighing scale and then go from here.
No. How is that possible, tell me? Your weighing scale is showing 2 kgs, but my weighing scale is showing 1.5 kgs. Then where is the 500 grams
You
of
were
my
doing
rice?
some kind of magic, right? Maybe it happened because of your magic.
If he's showing a magic trick and 500 grams of rice have vanished, then I'd like to watch it because I don't know magic. I'll show you if my way differs, okay?
Inspector sir, you?
Yes, we were sure that you will never agree. So that is why we got the inspector along with us.
Wait. Get aside. Let me check the weight on the machine.
Hey, there must be some mistake, sir. Please wait. I'll have it checked again.
There is no mistake. Constable, arrest him and check his weighing machine right now. Yes, sir. I'll check it right now. Oh, sir, there is a machine attached to it. And because of this machine, he cheats customer.
Hey, wait, Inspector. Why don't you do some under-the-table dealing?
I'll show you when I'll take you to the police station, okay? You did good, Lambu. You came to us. Otherwise, he would have cheated people like this all the time. That means Doluram Chacha always does this? Now I won't buy anything from him. Come, let's go to the Goluram Chacha in that shop now. Yes, you are right. Let's go there.
Hey, wait. I will never do this thing again. Inspector sir, please forgive me. Let me go. I will never do this again.
Cheat like you should get this kind of punishment. Constable, take him to the car. You taught a good lesson to him, Lambu.
Always remember that you should never fool anybody. Otherwise, if you get caught, then it'll be a big punishment.